BBM, BONG Marcos.
Mayor Michael Rama, the standard-bearer of BARUG-PDP LABAN, has officially announced their endorsement of presidential aspirant and former Senator Ferdinand BONGBONG Marcos Jr. and his vice presidential running mate incumbent Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte. He also proclaimed their support for Marino Party List third nominee Attorney Colin Rosel. Rama spoke on behalf of Barug, Kusog, and Marino Party List, which he convened for their official announcement.
Partido Barug, PDP Laban, Marino is and has made a final statement. Our president candidate, BBM, our vice president, Sara Duterte.
Rama previously announced support for the presidential bid of Senator Bongo, but the latter withdrew his certificate of candidacy. He clarified that his declaration of support for Marcos does not mean that BBM is also the choice of President Rodrigo Duterte for his successor.
We do not want to be the spokesperson of the president. We have to leave it to the president, but definitely us in the local scene. And we would wish that in the days to come, that whoever the president will anoint will align with us. But we don't dictate the president. We only pray and hope that he will also be with us in this direction, and we always respect whatever position the president will take.
Members of the Daluz-led Panagiusa Party, an ally of Barug, were not present during the press conference. According to Attorney Joey Dalos III, Panagiusa's president, they cannot endorse Marcos as this is in contrast to their party's anti-martial law values. Their group has already previously announced their support for the Isko-SARA tandem last December. This has been Sheriza Uy from ITV Cebu.